Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Time saver, power clipping into a frame. Before you have to go to range, you got to have something selected. Go to a range, and I made a hotkey, but I've gone better now and place inside frame and then hit that. So you've got to go one click, two clicks, three clicks. Why don't we make a hotkey for this? It's not like any other, or it is like any other key I've ever made. Tools, options, customization. I'm not going to type in power clip. I'm going to type in place inside frame. No hotkey. I'm going to make it U. Just got to remember what it is. Say OK, and then you got to go say OK here. Now, you've got this done. Hit U and arrow. U and arrow. U and arrow. You know, you've got to have enough copies to do this and, take more time to, edit the bitmap. And if you didn't watch part one, God, trying to grab that and move it over. Look how quick this is. So if we're going to place it the old way, I'm going to select it. One, okay, there's a click, but okay, that doesn't count. 2, 3, 4 to get to the arrow. Okay, watch this. One click, the letter U, place inside frame. One keystroke to power clip. That is cool. And just like in the first one, you could still edit the power clip and make them, look differently. And if you didn't watch part one, we're trying to make bricks pattern. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.